Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A06. Okay, let's start. I've removed already the label here. Now let's unpack the phone. Here it is. And this is how it looks like that. So here's the cam, the SIM tray, and below the USB Type-C port, the speaker, the microphone, and an audio jack. What else we're having in the phone? So this little box here with a SIM ejection tool, and on the other side the USB Type-C cable. But you need the charger, USB Type-C charger here, huh? And yeah, you have a quick start guide. That's it. One more time, we will have the phone, we have a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, we have a manual here, and we are having the SIM ejection tool. So no charging adapter, no film, no headphones, no case. Yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.